Hello everyone, this is the installation video for Poetic Explorer iPad Series case. After taking out the case, please make sure to peel off the plastic film on both sides of the front frame. Separate the two-piece case from the bottom right corner. Please wipe the screen clean before installation. Do not put the iPad directly into the back case. First, install the iPad into the front frame, then enclose the front frame into the back case. Make sure buttons are lined up and edges are sealed with the front frame. Finally, insert the Apple Pencil into the pen slot. Now, the installation is complete. Enjoy the Poetic case.